There's a third rack.
It does?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. It's right up here.
No, it doesn't.
So that's the old dishwasher. It's going bye-bye. It's going in the trash. I don't know where it's going. There's that. A lot of stuff under there.
Oh, quit doing that.
Frig, it's not recording you. Look. There's Daddy. Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
There's cute Dixie.
Okay, Google.
Dixie, say hi.
Okay, Google. Turn on kitchen lights.
Daisy, say hi. She's eating right now. I want you guys see how you take it out and put a new dishwasher in. So I think you guys have to take those things out, the drawers. But I don't know how he's gonna do it.
Like you can pull it out.
How is he gonna pull it out though?
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna. Do you guys see it move?
Daisy, Dixie, out.
Cause I saw it move. Now he's gonna take out
I
screws.
need a flathead too. Hurry.
Allison, you need to move. Where's your toolbox?
On the move.
I don't know.
I'm gonna record right here.
I might get it like this.
We had pizza for lunch.
I didn't. I got one.
Kaylee had my sister. Kay, she had macaroni and cheese or mac and cheese.
I also got 2 pizzas.
Butter. Everybody, this is kind of cool right now because look, I saw it move again.
My dad making it
Guys,
out.
look, it's moving. He has to unscrew and screw again. Oh, that came out. That wood thing. That's from the dishwasher.
Sister, come now.
Oh, look, everybody, it moved. Oh, that's our old dishwasher. Bye-bye, dishwasher. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Whoa. This is is that my new home? Look, everybody, look how messy it is. Oh, no. Oh, everybody, did you see that? Look, here's the dishwasher. Here's that. Here's
Girl, out.
Messy, Dad.
Yeah. So that's the video. I'm going to see you guys in round 3.